Ayan guys, sa video natin today, ibabahagi ko yung actual recording kung saan i-withdraw na namin yung kabuuang available balance namin from our Pi wallet going to Gate.io crypto exchange. Okay? So quick recap lang guys, sa previous video natin, nag-test withdrawal muna tayo and nag-try muna tayong mag-withdraw ng 3.1416 Pi coins from our Pi wallet going to Gate.io. Okay? And makikita nyo ngayon, successfully, sa Pi wallet natin dito sa Gate.io, na-receive talaga natin, okay? Yung 3.1416 Pi coins, okay? So dahil na-prove na natin na working talaga ang pag-withdraw or yung pagsisend ng Pi from our Pi wallet to Gate.io, i-withdraw na natin yung natitira nating available balance, okay? So based sa recording natin, ginawa namin tong withdrawal process na to last March 20, 2025 Thursday at 4:18 p.m. Manila time. Okay, so from rgate.io, lumipat muna ako sa CoinGecko website to check yung price action nung Pi at the time of this recording, and makikita natin during this time nasa 67.11 pesos yung value ng isang Pi coin, okay? And going to our Pi wallet, okay, meron tayong, makikita natin dito na meron tayong 568.60 Pi coins and meron tayong available balance na 281.73 Pi, okay? So ang mangyayari dito, ang maaari lang natin i-withdraw or i-send sa Gate.io cryptocurrency exchange is itong 281.73 Pi, okay? So ang ginawa namin dito 281 yung withdraw namin. Okay, so yung gagawin na natin, i-click na natin yung pay request button and then click on manually add wallet address, okay? So babalik lang tayo sa ating Gate.io and from our deposit option, i-click natin yung on-chain deposit and then makikita natin dito sa screen yung ating Pi Gate.io wallet details, okay? So ang gagawin lang natin dito, i-copy lang natin yung ating Gate.io Pi wallet address, okay? So copy natin yan and then switch to our Pi wallet. Makikita natin dito, nilalagay na natin yung 281 Pi na gusto nating i-withdraw sa Gate.io and then ipipaste lang natin yung ating Gate.io Pi wallet address, okay? So yung memo guys, based sa time and motion natin, wala naman kaming nilagay na memo. Nakalagay rin doon optional. And then sa Gate.io, wala namang memo or ID na kailangan pang i-paste. Pagka gusto nating i-withdraw yung Pi papunta sa Gate.io, okay? So makikita natin dito, you're about to send 281 Pi coins, okay? So meron ditong message asking yung user if we recognize the pioneer. So obviously alam ko naman yan na tayo yung nagwi-withdraw, kaya i-confirm lang natin ito. Okay, kapag ka-click natin ng confirm, in just a few seconds guys, makikita natin may prompt, okay, na transfer succeeded, okay? Pagka chinek naman natin guys yung ating transaction history sa Pi wallet, okay, makikita ninyo rito, merong nabawas na 281 Pi coins, okay? So meaning ito yung current request natin to withdraw or send Pi coins to Gate.io, ayan. So meron talagang footprint, so okay na okay yan. Now another thing na gusto nating i-highlight is yung low cost transaction fee kapag nagwi-withdraw ng Pi coin or ng Pi coins from Pi wallet to a centralized exchange. Ang fee lang pala na i-consume natin dito is 0.01 Pi. So ginawa natin, nag-check lang tayo sa CoinGecko and makikita natin dito nasa 67 cents lang or 67 centavos, okay, in Philippine peso yung transaction fee.
Sagutin mo to, buktong-buktong.
Buktong-buktong.
Di nahulog ang corona. Binato ng bato.
Ang sisi kapag bumaba pa ng bumaba yun.
Mama, alam mo,
284 USD.
buktong-buktong. Nakayuko ang kaya hindi nahulog ang corona.
Bato.
Hindi.
Ano?
Kahoy!
Kahoy.
Bawal daw yun. Kailangan hindi gawin. baboy. Ako na.
Bugtong. O, ba't ang dami na?
Natural. I-dollars yan eh.
$20,000. Mama, ikaw naman. Buktong. Ang isang prinsesa, nakayuko, at may alagang baboy.
19,000 bik oh.
Ikaw ang baboy.
Uy!
Pwede na?
Mama, ang may kilikili.
Sige na.
Ayan guys, so na-notice ninyo, hindi ko pala na-mute yung recording. And habang nagba-voice over ako, that's the time na na-realize ko na hindi ko pala siya na-mute. Kaya pinabayaan ko na lang mag-play yung yung talagang real time na nangyayari or sinasabi ko during that time. Pero mayroon tayong proof, okay guys, na nakita nyo naman na merong pagka nagwi-withdraw tayo ng Pi coins from Pi wallet papunta sa gate.io, merong 60 blockchain confirmations, okay? So based sa time in motion natin around 7 to 10 minutes to be safe, okay? Yung time frame or yung hihintayin natin bago ma-receive yung Pi coin sa gate.io, okay? Sa susunod nating video, i-check yung actual date and time between our two wallets para magkaroon tayo ng ng accurate na estimated time frame kapag ka nagwi-withdraw ng Pi coin sa gate.io. Pero based on my experience and yung naalala ko, around 7 minutes talaga siya. Okay? Withdraw na namin siya, nag-take profit na tayo. Kasi practically wala naman tayong nilabas na pera. Nagpindot lang tayo every day and nag-mine lang tayo ng Pi before hanggang sa makaipon tayo ng ganyang amount. And fair enough na for us to take profits, at least magagamit na namin tong puhunan sa aming sewing and clothing business, okay? And gusto ko lang i-reiterate na lahat ng information na nakapaloob dito sa video na to and sa YouTube channel natin, Crypto Bayanihan, these are not financial advice and only for educational purposes. And I encourage you to always do your own research, okay, whenever you engage into the volatile world ng cryptocurrency, okay? So, eventually, ang ginawa namin dito, sinel lang natin yung Pi coins from gate.io to USDT, okay, stablecoin. And then from stablecoin, ang ginawa ko, sinel ko siya into XLM, real time. And then, sinend natin ito sa coins.ph and para ma-withdraw na natin siya finally sa ating GCash, okay? So, yun yung gusto kong process kasi doon ako hiyang. Mas comfortable ako doon compared sa nagtatransact through P2P, okay? Pero marunong din naman ako ng P2P process, okay? From Binance, yun yung ginagamit ko before. Pero hindi na ako gumagamit ng ibang P2P. Mas tiwala ako sa ganong process ng pag-withdraw or pagka-cash out ng pera when it comes to crypto. Sa next video natin, i-share ko pa rin yung recording doon, okay? Kung paano ako nag-withdraw ng Pi coins papunta sa coins.ph, okay? For your future reference. Maraming salamat.